Good evening, everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. Should I say, hope you guys are doing good? Yes, everything is fine here. So, welcome to this orientation program for training mentorship program. This is my program. This is my baby. This is my heart. Everything, my soul, everything is inside this program. Um, it's an English program, so I've got to do the orientation in English. A little bit of here and there words in Hindi is okay, but this is an English program, and I I'm going to speak in English. Sorry about my friends who are here expecting some Hindi discussion, but fact यही है कि एक इंग्लिश प्रोग्राम है तो इसलिए हम इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे. So चलिए थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड देता हूँ कि ये प्रोग्राम क्यों है, इसका क्या रेलेवेंस है, और हम पांच, all five of us are giving enough dedication and time to this program. In fact, not just all five of us, there are five more associates who are dedicating their life to this program, apart from the course coordination team led by Swati. Why? Why so many people are involved in this pretty program? Actually, the program goes back to 2008. 2008, that was a time when I first started my financial education initiative in Calcutta, where I started an academy called Credent Academy, based out of Pretoria Street, where our office is still there. Credent Academy is a place where we used to teach people on various aspects of market. It was largely paid programs on investing and trading. And my first program, which I launched in 2008, was Certified Professional Arbitrager. Swati is still there. She'll remember that program. Swati has been with us for years now. Certified Professional Arbitrager was a program where I was teaching people how to do arbitrage. And I used to recruit the top talent for my trading desk. That time, our trading desk was very small. We were around 20 people. We were interested in building up our trading desk. So that's why we launched an academy and a program so that we can recruit people to join our trading desk. The same trading desk is now 300 traders built over a period of time. That course, Certified Professional Arbitrager, that course became Certified Professional Trader. Okay, so we added various components of trading apart from arbitrage in our program. And that Certified Professional Trader course became Certified Professional Research, Trading and Advisory. It's called CRTA program, which we discontinued during COVID, and we started an online program called Trading Mentorship Program. So basically, we are not new. We are not doing something just we thought and we have started. No. But anyway, this is the 51st batch of the Trading Mentorship Program. So we know what we are doing, and we are very proud of the fact that we are able to impart the right knowledge to people who really want to become traders. Now, let me ask you a simple question. I mean, it may be a rhetoric, but I have to ask, and the other four mentors have actually expressed their emotions quite well. But let me ask you this important question. What is the difference between a teacher, a coach, and a mentor? A teacher, a coach, and a mentor. A teacher is someone who tries to put concepts in your mind. A coach is someone who tries to put concept in your mind and in your heart. A mentor is someone who tries to put the concept in your soul. It lasts for a long period of time. And mentorship is not just about 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. I'm very sad that people have started using the term mentorship in a very, very fluid manner. In fact, we have always been the first one to launch something and then other people start launching around us. So mentorship was probably the first program which We launched, and then we had so many people in the market who started launching the mentorship program. But for me, mentorship is not a 6 month initiative or a 1 year initiative. Mentorship is a lifetime relationship. We don't talk about it. We don't talk about it in our website because we are very honest people and we don't want to make false commitment. I can also say in my website that trading mentorship program is a lifetime program. I can say that. But we are very honest in whatever we do. And we say that it's a 6 month program. But I'm telling you that my number will be with you, your number will be with me, and we will be there together for lifetime. And lifetime doesn't mean that I'm going to be helping you to trade only, or Chetan Bhai is going to only teach you option strategy, or Abhijit Da is only going to teach you how to trade in live market. No. Lifetime relationship is that whenever you feel you need us, we should be there standing right with you when you need us the most. That is mentorship. Sure, there is a structure, there is a program, there is a 6 month of journey which you will be going through, but that doesn't mean that our relationship will close after 6 months. You may need us anytime. You may need us after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years. Rather, we may need you. Why just you need us? We may also need you because you are someone who is very, very good, and we may come back to you and say that, hey, you are good in this. Why don't we collaborate? Why don't you record a face to face with me? Why don't we do something together so that we all grow together? So trading mentorship program is all about growing together. It is not just about learning technical analysis, learning option strategy, learning RS model, learning commodity currency. No, it is not. It is a lifetime relationship we are trying to build. Now, what is trading? Trading is when you reach the stage of bliss in market. Trading is when you realize that there are multiple ways of making money from market, and you need to identify your personality and you need to identify market's personality, and both the personalities should merge. That's where trading is like a marriage. Trading is not just like any other occupation. ये कोई CA practice नहीं है, ये कोई law का practice नहीं है. This is not a doctor qualification, right? Trading is actually a very, very intense activity where you are constantly thinking about the right way to make money from market. Making money from market is the toughest thing I can bet on. It's really tough. It is not easy. But then, if you know how to make it, if you have confidence that yes, you can make it, trust me, it's the most fantastic occupation to be in, right? Trading is a combination of art and science. We know that. Art is your skill set. Science is, it's a aggregation of data science leading to your probabilistic assessment of what will happen to the price action. Some people call it technical analysis. Some people call it data study. But for me, it's ultimately a data science which helps you to calculate the probability of every move you make in market. And probability cannot be a certainty. Probability is, if I do this, there is a probability that this will happen. If I don't do this, there is a probability that this will happen. So it's basically a fantastic combination of art and science leading to your framework, which will lead to your money-making journey. How many of you saw the match yesterday, India-Pakistan? आप लोग में से कितने लोगों ने कल का मैच देखा? Can I get some replies? How many of you saw the match yesterday? Almost all of us. Almost all of us. I mean, 90% people would have seen. And did you observe Virat Kohli? Did you observe his reaction when that ball stumped Gill? Did you observe his reaction? His reaction was, oh my God, what a ball. That spin which strike Gill is such a lovely swing by that Pakistani bowler. And even Virat Kohli realized that, oh my God, this is an amazing ball, right? Imagine the mindset of Virat Kohli at that time. That, oh my God, the pitch is swinging like anything. The ball is swinging like anything in this pitch now. And the same bowler he was facing next. And he knew that the bowler will be in a very, very high spirit because he took wicket of Gill, which was an important wicket. Gill got out at 47. And the ball which the bowler produced was just phenomenal. Imagine the confidence that bowler would have had. And then he was, bowling to Virat Kohli. What did Virat Kohli do? He respected the bowler. He was not playing fancy shots. He was playing classical defensive cricketing shot. He was buying time. This is exactly stock market is happening right now. Stock market is that bowler which has produced a very difficult bowling. And right now, whoever is going to try to play fancy shot with that bowler is going to suffer. This is the time where you can't trade. You should not trade. You should wait for the right ball to trade. And once you get that right ball from any bowler and you're able to hit that shot, then you are again gaining back your confidence, or at least your mindset is coming back to the original mindset, which is the winning mindset, right? Trading is all about mindset. It's all about mindset. It's equivalent to playing a professional sports. It's equivalent to going through a professional journey. And it is not for people who are weak-hearted. It is not for people who are free riders, जिनके पास समय नहीं है, जिनके पास समय भी है, उनके पास पैशन नहीं है, जिनको कुछ करना नहीं है लाइफ में, जिनको चाहिए कि भैया 1 चम्मच 5 ml रोज मिल जाए और मैं ट्रेडर बन जाऊं. उनके लिए ट्रेडिंग नहीं है. उनके लिए है मार्केट होने के लिए. और हम सब है प्रोफेशनल्स who really want to make money from market. हमारे लिए है मार्केट कमाने के लिए. Whenever we are trading, there are typically 3 trades, right? I am either buying and selling, bullish trade. I am either selling and buying, bearish trade. I am not trading, no trade. Do you know that no trade is also trade? नहीं करना है. सब बाई करते ना. 2 महीने नहीं ट्रेड करेंगे, 3 महीने नहीं ट्रेड करेंगे. अपना पैसा अपना कमाया हुआ है, अपने को अच्छा लगता है. 3 महीने बाद जब मार्केट उस मूड में होगा कि वो सबको पैसा देना चाहेगा, हम तब ट्रेड करेंगे. All these things have to be very, very systematically and objectively understood. And I cannot just teach you trend line, moving average, MSI. ये सब तो मैंने YouTube चैनल में कर दिया है. I don't think so. You need to attend this program if you are here to just learn concepts. I don't think so. We are going to teach you something rocket science. But I am going to teach you how to take care of your mind. I'm going to teach you how to take care of your emotion. We are going to be there when you have tough time thinking about what to do. Because most of the time in market, we all are worried about what to do. अभी भी लोग बोल रहे हैं क्या करें. जब तेजी में था लोग बोलते थे क्या करें. जब मार्केट गिर गया तो भी लोग बोलते हैं क्या करें. So if you are able to answer this question on your own, कि क्या करें, that means you are sorted. And this is what we intend to do in this program. So it is not a course. Please do not give this thappa. That's what I tell to my team members also. इसको course का थप्पा मत दो यार. This is not just a course. This is the sum total of experience of so many years of 5 people coming together. और वो एक जड़ी बूटी बन रही है जो आपको लॉन्ग टर्म हेल्थ इश्यू को सॉल्व रखेगा. We'll take care of your core. We don't want to take care of your short-term problems. I hope you understand this. And if you really want to add a life skill, I think learning trading is a life skill. It is not just a skill to make money. It's something which you will anyways love to do in whatever occupation you have. So if you want to acquire a life skill, you will either join the program. Some of you may be probably thinking about joining now, और यू शुड कंप्लीट द प्रोग्राम. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए एक महीना मेरे फूफा जी के लड़के की शादी थी, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, बहाने बहुत चलेंगे, बहानों से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. ओनली पीपल हु विल कंप्लीट द प्रोग्राम, intense program in 6 months, and it's like a tapasya. It's really like a tapasya. You have to give your 6 months to us. Otherwise, ये इतना easy नहीं है. You have to complete the program. You have to make sure that you are attending the classes or completing the courses. You are practicing. You are utilizing your peer group who will be knowledgeable, and you'll be utilizing mentors, associates. Basically, you need to be there to take full advantage of the time you're investing. I'm not talking about the money. I think money, what you're investing is peanut. Everyone who has done this program says that what you're charging is peanut. There are some idiots who are charging 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh. For what? For nothing. We have made it so easy, so approach, so comfortable for people that even if they pay X amount, they should feel the value they are realizing from this program is worthy of the X amount. Now, what is my role in this program? I'm your knowledge mentor. My role is to make sure that you get what you are here for. I'm also the chief dart officer in this program. That means I can call you and I can scold you anytime. I mean, we all are now not used to getting scolding from our father figures, but trust me, I can call you anytime and I can scold you that why are you not completing the assignment? Why are you not completing the program, etc., etc. So I am the chief dart officer. I will be the knowledge officer for you. And we have some amazing mentors and associates who will take care of your knowledge requirement, and lot of practical discussions, lot of practical case studies will be discussed in the group. Just a small caveat, do not try to create noise in the group. That group has ethics. That group is meant for knowledge sharing. That group is not meant for problem solving. Don't just mention anything and everything in the group with an assumption that your problem will get solved if you mention in the group. No, the group is meant for cumulative knowledge discussion. It is not meant for problem solving. If you have any problem, you go to the coordinator and the coordinator will make sure your problem will be solved. All right. So best of luck to every one of you who have joined this program, and people who have not yet joined, you better join it, because this is one experience which you don't want to miss in this life. Thank you so much and best of luck.